हेलो, कैसे हो भाई? हाँ बॉयज, गिव मी अ मिनट ब्रो। अभी आया भाई। Fuck man. Boys, what's going on? Going on? What's going on? चल रहा है। हाँ, हाँ। Going on? What's going on? Nice. चल रहा है। कुलदीप भाई बढ़िया। गुड ब्रो, गुड। अभी आया भाई, 2 मिनट ब्रो। ओपन करेंगे भाई आज स्ट्रीम। एंड शो ओपन में भाई जैक्सन होल सिंपोजियम ब्रो। लोगों की माँ देगी आज। Fucking watch it. Oh, भाई सुबह उठकर भाई when you take that first sip of coffee man sure मजा आता है भाई। साउंड है भाई, साउंड है ब्रो। chill out brother, chill out guys, chill out। आ रहा भाई, chill out bros, chill out। भाई पिप टेस्ला इज हियर, वेलकम बैक हिमांशु। है भाई, भाई लोग वॉइस के बारे में बहुत परेशान। वाह, एनीवे। ओके, So, how is everybody doing? कैसे चल रहा है भाई? आज भाई it's Jackson Hole Symposium. I remember भाई last week, I mean last year, last year. I hope अभी आवाज तो सही आ रहा है, right? I hope. No voice? अरे बैंड शो. आज भाई it's Jackson Hole Symposium. I remember भाई last week. आ गया भाई. Pip Tesla, what's going on, bro? Chalo, what we're gonna do is let's take a quick look at daily. ठीक है? Let's come back to business because market is open in about 15 minutes. ठीक है? So crude oil तो bullish है. Bro, low voice really? अरे ये क्या हो गया भाई? भाई अभी सुन रहा है? Hello. Is it better now? Hello. I hope it is, because मेरे को तो सुन रहा है. I mean last year, last year. I hope अभी आवाज तो सही आ रहा है, right? Hello. 29,497 bodies are jagged. Okay, anyway, what I'm gonna do is last year. I hope अभी आवाज तो सही आ रहा है, right? Hello. Bro, Guardian वाली वीडियो देखी थी. Bodies are jagged. Okay, bro. भाई आपका Guardian वाली वीडियो देखी थी. Why do you say that? Okay, bro. Now let me clear this up first of all. भाई, see, I don't particularly hate anybody. ठीक है? Like, I'm a man of God, right? I don't hate anybody, but what I don't like is when people get misguided. See, अगर आप Guardian use कर if you have been using his concepts or I mean कुछ साल, I'm talking about years, कुछ साल उसमें आप invest कर चुके और अगर उससे आपको profitability मिला है, then that is okay. कोई बात नहीं. I'm not talking about you guys. I'm talking about the ones that haven't seen profitability. ठीक है? The people that are stuck, relative 1 high, 2 high, and 3 high. 3 relative equal highs I see. Okay. Bang. Isn't this relative? Is it? ये blue lines क्या है भाई? ये blue lines है bro, old highs. Okay. Now why are these old highs important? The old highs that are going to be important is going to be so let's quickly mark out these old previous day highs because I'm going to refer to it as old high. 25th August. All right. Give it on. Old high. This is Friday high, right? I need these old highs because I need them. Okay. 21st June. July. I mean August, I guess. कल का तो शॉट हमने देखा था ब्रो. Now, see. अब तो भाई देखना पड़ेगा ब्रो. I can frame both sides of the market being very honest, okay? Because I can frame these relative equal highs from the daily busy. ठीक है, I would anticipate कि run हुआ है. Mark previous Friday first presented. Yes sir, 1 minute. Okay, anyway, coming back to the 1 minute. See how London expanded? Pre-market, which is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. chopped. So I think this session could be a good one. taking a closer look at daily. सस्पेंशन ब्लॉक तो है ही है, ठीक है. हमारे पास ये मीन थ्रेशोल्ड है, ये ब्रेकर ब्लॉक का जो मैंने पहले बुलाया था, राइट. दिस इज गोना बी द मीन थ्रेशोल्ड. आई शो यू व्हाई आई एम चूजिंग दिस ब्रेकर ब्लॉक्स मीन थ्रेशोल्ड, ठीक है. दैट इज माइनस ब्रेकर मीन थ्रेशोल्ड, ऑलराइट. नाउ there are multiple ways you could use Mr. Michael's concept, all right. Now the reason I'm using that mean threshold is because it lies perfectly within the buy side, okay. Now I want to take a look at ES. What is ES doing? See, ES per bro, if you notice, these are so fucking juicy. ES per year relative equal highs utai, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, okay. And now it freaking swept up higher, but we didn't take these relative equal highs, okay. Now notice that we haven't taken these highs here, okay. Now we've come into a discount and dog was fully filled in. Now that's a new day opening gap I'm interested in. Dog and dog. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. Yes, it's okay. See, I've tapped the suspension block. Bro, if you now tell me that this is fucking this is random, I'm gonna be like, yo, you're fucking ridiculous. Ain't no shit random here, bro. Alright. See, a lot of shit on my chart is missing, honestly. Because if we look at a couple opening range gaps, so these are pretty old. Right? Coming back to dollar, bro, dollar, man. My fucking dollar. Again, that's the thing, right? The thing I'm suspecting is if dollar doesn't want to switch bullish, okay, and if it wants to go bearish, but again, we're gonna watch, okay. So हम ये inefficiency or most likely ये inefficiency को हम देखेंगे Dixie पर. That's on the 15-minute. Okay, now that's gonna be very interesting if dollar can set up a move higher for us, which will make NQ bear. Why does everybody? Bhai, I'm being very honest with you. My logical side of the brain is like bancho relative equal highs pade right above. My emotional side of my brain is gonna be like, अरे भाई short तो करना पड़ेगा. What the hell? What the hell? Fucking hell, that's ridiculous, bro. Okay, now what we're gonna do is हम mark करेंगे by previous settlement close. Okay, I have a few protocol that I do right before open. मेरे को देखना है, bro. Previous settlement close. Okay, back here. Now look in terms of current market price. किधर है भाई close? Oh, bancho, where the fuck is close? Oh, bhai, close is down. Oh, close is about 180 handle. Okay, note that shit. Note that, bro. Note that. Okay. Relative equal highs. These are just, man, too good to ignore. Okay. Bro, how the fuck do you put your chat on OBS? Market shoot, bro. I don't think so. Can you even do it? You pop out at your party. I'm at the game. Oh yes, pop out chat आ गया भाई, बढ़िया bro. Now I can use my laptop here. Oh well, who is gonna be trading on Jackson Hole Symposium? Guess who won't be trading? The guy that you're watching right now. I ain't trading, bro. मैं तो भाई, I'm being very honest, मैं तो आज मजे लेने आया भाई. I am being very honest. Bro, hello bro, I have a question. Jackson Hole Symposium है day one consolidation ही होगी. Consolidation कह लो या whipsaw कह लो, होगा भाई कुछ. नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, कंसोलिडेशन ही होगी भाई, लोग डराते हैं. See, London expanded, okay? What did Asia do? Well, Asia expanded, okay? London gave you a smart money reversal, okay? Now both sides. Now this is a big ass consolidation. अगर आप सही में देखोगे, this is actually a big consolidation. Now it depends if you want to consider this much area in price action consolidation. Stop punt, okay? Stops out the profitable. What time? At the London close, London macro, and then gives you the move. Now I would probably say कि अगर देखना पड़ेगा bro, if New York are interested in these above highs above here, ठीक है, or else गिरेगी bro. But I would say कि भाई देखते हैं भाई, monitor करते हैं bro. एंड या आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट गाड़ीर और अगर भाई शॉर्ट वीडियोस वाइन, अगर आपको गाड़ीर देखकर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है भाई, दो देखो. मज़े की बात तो नहीं है भाई, पैसे अगर बन रहे तो बढ़िया है, पैसे अगर नहीं बन रहे तो यू नो व्हाट टू डू, राइट. हम ये डेली बीसी के इन टर्म्स भी देखेंगे, कभी कभी हम डिक्सी भी चेक करेंगे, इनएफिशिएंसी के अंदर गिर रही है. क्या और चेक करना था भाई? गोल्ड. ओ या रिलेटिव इक्वल लोस ब्रीच्ड, बढ़िया ब्रो. मैंने कहा था क्या सिल्वर में, आई वांट टू सी प्राइस गो लोअर फर्स्ट, आई सेड राइट. Yep. Okay, coming back. Hello, Tushar bhai. What's going on? What's going on, bro? Pip Tesla ने कहा है by 479 are jagged. Well, yep, they got jagged, bro. But again, consider कर सकते हो relative को लो अगर. See suspension block, bro. It's a bit decoupled right now. ठीक है, अगर आप ES चेक करोगे, ES is given you a 1 minute BISI जो अभी तक इन्वर्स नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है. ES पर तो भाई मेरे को relative equal highs दिख रहे हैं भाई ऊपर. Why am I not showing you ES? क्या छूतिया है भाई मैं. Okay, opens up and goes straight lower. You know what to do. These highs I'm talking about on ES, okay? Okay. अभी आ जा इधर भाई, ठीक है. What are we gonna do? Okay, opening range gap बना है. This is the close. Okay, we're gonna mark its quadrants. All right. I'm gonna give it in blue. Okay. Blue देना है क्या? हाँ, blue ही रहने दे man, shoot. क्या हो जाएगा? Okay, opens up, goes straight higher or lower. You're gonna read price now, okay? I'm watching these relative equal highs for now. Take if they want to run them. Buy side, pool of buy side here, formed after 8 o'clock. Okay, that's the pool of buy side formed after 8 o'clock. So that's a key level. this wick. Okay, market's consequent encroachment. I'm gonna eyeball it right there. ठीक है? See how they left relative equal highs? Welcome to the week. Okay, they've run it lower. They've left relative equal highs. Okay, fuck. Okay, opening range gap. सब बैठे भाई, सब बैठे ब्रो, ट्रेड करने बैठे भाई सब. अरे भाई मजा आएगा भाई. Fuck, okay, those lows are ran, even though they were jagged, they will run again. All right. Opening range gap, upper quadrant reached their relative equal highs here. A possible first presentation might form here. ठीक है? That could be our possible for. We will know that in about 10 seconds. I think yes, first presentation बन चुका है. I'm going to be watching this inefficiency. Because we have left relative equal highs. This long wick. Okay. I'm going to grade it. There. ES is run out. London lows. Okay. Oh man, this is a big ass chop. I can already see why I'm not participating, bro. What the fuck? Look at the bodies. Right at end dog low, we have a pool of sell side. ठीक है? ES per bro, the relative equal lows are just too fucking clean on ES. Honestly. Mid gap closure, ठीक है? We reached there. It has to stay below this Wix consequent encroachment if we're bearish. Let me just quickly mark out for you opening prices. Oh man, the relative equal highs is just fucking. See, if I was trading, bro, I honestly wouldn't, because these relative equal highs are just fucking. Now, if it is gonna deliver like a 500 handle move without me, oh man, go ahead. I don't want to be a participant, especially on a fucking 3-day news event. ठीक है? अगर आप 4 hour देखेंगे, if we draw some deviation, one of the key points that you have to understand is that we never reach negative 3.5 here and negative 4. ठीक है? Now that is why the run lower is pretty valid. I can imagine, bro. सब बैठे भाई स्क्रीन के सामने बहन शो ट्रेड करने के लिए. Oh my god. Na, 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 na. Which order blocks to choose? The one that aligns with another period opening range gap high. Opening range gap high right there. ठीक है? Yeah, we're inside the daily busy. And it's octans. Okay? Octans, man. Sure. ICT just brings up something, eh? Upper octane reached there. That's the pool of sell side that is nearby. So most likely that will get ran. If it can show some speed below it, then bro, here, consequent encroachment is here. Exactly what I was saying. Okay. Shorting is just fucked up. Relative equalize, man. Relative equalize. ठीक है? Say with me, relative equalize. Say with me again, relative equalize. If I was trading, I would see if this wick, exact same wick that was used in a sell program, can offer us a buy side. But smooth, fast delivery though, ठीक है? Very smooth and fast delivery because this wick has been balanced both the sides twice. Yes, पर तो भाई मजे मजे है. Okay, the London lows was breached here, sell side, yeah, buy side here. Again, relative equal highs on ES here. ठीक है? Relative equal highs if you want to consider them on ES here. All right, let's watch this son of a bitch. First presentation is now gonna act as an inversion array. Oh man. Bang on! Kiss ass, bro! Fuck yeah! Run it up, run it up, run it up. You can take this whole order block, ठीक है? अगर आपको, you can grade the bodies, alright? You can grade the bodies. Grade the bodies, okay? You can grade the fucking bodies, alright? Fails to get to the consequent encroachment, okay? I'm teaching you order flow, bro, okay? Now, if you want to use the other order flow, it's way better you go watch OF, OnlyFans, okay? I'll pay you for a subscription. कितने के आता है भाई? Fuck, bro. These OnlyFans bitches, bro, they charge fucking $5, $3, $2 a month, man. Oh my god. And thousands of people buy it. That's the catch right there. Thousands of people fucking buy it. Okay, I'm gonna watch this FEG if I can get an institutional order friend. If this can stay as a breakaway gap, if it can run from the first presentation using it as an inverse array, okay? Look at the same wick. Look at the bodies there. Is somebody in a position? Please share it in the chat. Okay. I mean, no, not a breakaway gap, but कितना ही डिमांड कर सकते हैं भाई जैक्सन होल सिंपोजियम में? आप ही सोचो एक बार, कितना ही डिमांड करेंगे हम? Now this exact wick has to act as a discount wick. Okay, I'm going to change it to blue. All my blue arrays are discount wick. The consequent encroachment of the again signature अगर मैं दिखाऊं, consequent encroachment of the opening range gap is at 29,442 and 3/4. The low of day that was formed is 29,442 and 3/4. ठीक है? Now that's to the tick right there. Stopped. कैसे सोचो एक बार. Stopped. Gives you a fair value gap. Inverse is the first presentation. The bodies close above the wick. We are above all the fucking opening prices. ठीक है? We left relative equal highs above. Look at the bodies respecting the new day opening gap. Look at relative equal highs left here. Look at relative equal highs left on the higher time frame. Oh ho ho ho! Oh ho ho! Oh ho ho ho! It's not that much. That much. It's not that much. It's not that volatile though. The highs will obviously get ran. ठीक है? कोई चैट में तो भाई nobody is even texting. सब बैठे भाई चार्ट के ऊपर. Fuck. Crazy हो गया ये तो. अब होगी gambling. Exactly, bro. Because see how both sides of the market deliver हो गया. अब भाई शुरू. जो बंदे मैक्रो का वेट करेंगे शुरू भाई. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. मैंने this moment here at left relative equalize मेरे को suspect था bro. I was suspect. So I was checking कि कुछ मिल जाए भाई left side पर, कुछ मिल जाए मेरे को to go long. Yes, silver bro. As I said, I want to see silver run lower because ये relative equal low उसको एक बार clear कर दो फिर बने भाई up move. Oh, Dixie तो भाई it didn't even want to reach to my array because वहाँ उधर से bullish हो गई है. Consequent encroachment held right there. Bang on baby girl. Relative equal highs. ठीक है, if Dixie wants to switch bullish and ये bearish हो जाए भाई मजा आ जाएगा bro. Oh yeah, now if you want to run it lower bro, do it for me man. Run it up lower. Oh, whip people's ass. Oh yeah, let's go! Bang on! Oh my god. Whooped! People that held their longs without partials got their ass whooped. Fuck's sake, bro. Fuck's sake. Okay, now it's time, bro. It's time for them to really close the gap now. Close the bloody gap. Yes, run कर दे भाई previous day low तक. Hell no, bro. How you all gonna survive in this market, bro? Crazy हो गया man. Show दिए दो. Fuck. Fuck. Hell nah. Hell nah. Look at the bodies respected by the volume imbalance. Delivering from what is this? Include the volume imbalance. Hang on. Did the bodies close above? Nope. Nope. Sell side. Sell side. Sajde enter long at 9:39, exit at 9:45. Fuck yeah. Yes, sir. That was a good one, bro. That was a good one. Okay, see, open करने के बाद what has market done? Welcome to Jackson Hole Symposium Day 1. All right. Range bound कर दिया. Yes, move बने थे. Okay. If you exited here, good job. It was a fucking sniper shot. Relative equalize पर आपने exit किया. ठीक है. Especially this was the buy side that was formed after 8 p.m. All right. Look at the bodies there, respected. No wick on the lower candle of the 950 macro. That means if it can trade up into this inefficiency and run lower, longs on macro window. It shouldn't even reach there. That would be wonderful, bro. It doesn't reach. Bro, if this array gets inversed, oh my god. It's gonna be terrible, bro. I'm telling you. If this SIBI gets inversed, oh my god. It's gonna be really terrible, bro. Oh my god. How can they leave a devil's mark here, bro? How the fuck can they leave a devil's mark? That's why I'm still suspecting the run higher. Okay, मैं suspect कर रहा हूँ run higher. On a 950 macro, there is no way you don't have a low formed. Okay, for low is 476.50, open is 476.60. Savoy 50 eventually. सपने Devil's Mark is a suspect, okay? Everybody that's watching. Relatively equal lows here. 10 AM open हो जाए भाई. If they can run up the highs and then whip lower. Relative equal lows, relative equal highs. Crazy हो गया भाई ये तो. It was a nice shot from 946 bearish FEG with 7 AM to 9 AM fib. Nice. It was indeed, eh? A very interesting opening. I wouldn't call it lackluster at all because I saw both sides of the market whooped. So it was definitely not lackluster. It was pretty interesting. But look at the fucking consolidation. Would you want to be in this? I do not want to be in this. Maybe I'm just coping for missing the fucking long. Maybe, bro. As I said, what did I say a little while ago? Do I trust the longs right now? Nope. Nope. Especially with relative equal lows. Bro, मैंने तो कल इंस्टा में तुमको बोलता है game is gonna be like that. I will enjoy the people that are gonna lose this day. True. Yes, you're right, prof. You're absolutely right. Cause see, मेरे को bro, honestly, I'm telling you, मेरे दिल से the reason I'm not pushing buttons is because I can frame both sides of the market right now. ठीक है? Because daily suspension block को leave करने के बाद अभी कर रही है but कर नहीं पा रही है. कितनी बार try करेगी bro? How many times is this fucking gonna try? Daily ये fucking suspension block को leave ही नहीं कर रही है, right? And I have so many pools of buy side above, right? I was like, fuck, market shoot, bro. Market shoot, right? Minus sell side, okay. What did I say? This wick, lower wick जो नहीं बना है, it's very suspect, right? So any run higher, the lower आएगी भाई. ये wick इधर low बनाना है, right? Told ya, bro, told ya. Daily BC के अंदर आई है. Bang on. Minus sell side ran. Inversion array. कौन से के निकलो? मैंने कहा था, if this gets inverse to the upside, मेरा भरोसा पूरा उठ जाएगा, bro, from the markets. But then no, it did not. Act as an inversion array now. See, minus sell side breached here. Holy moly, if they run it up higher from here. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. If they run it up higher. Oh fuck. नहीं भाई, ऐसे तो नहीं. वीकली ओपन इज राइट अंडरनीथ. ठीक है, वीकली ओपन के पास ही हमारे पास सेल साइड है इधर. ठीक है, दैट इज एट ओपनिंग रेंज गैप लोअर क्वाड्रेंट मेक्स इट अ गुड टारगेट. I can see a few ways you could have traded this market. Okay, first is that long. You can buy the uppermost FEG, put the stops somewhere around here, take it off here. I wouldn't short this, but I would short this inversion right here. I would short somewhere around this inversion, inside of the inversion. ठीक है? And then because relatively को lows पड़े थे इधर, ठीक है? और यहाँ sell side पड़ा है at the lower quadrant of the opening range gap, और gap closure भी इधर ही पड़ा है. So I would anticipate कि पूरा gap close हुए, ठीक है? Revisit these old highs maybe, maybe not. See, I can frame both sides of the market. Okay, ये relatively equal highs इधर है, ठीक है? Suspension block के अगर अंदर ये fucking daily fucking what do you call it? Fucking relative equal lows है. मार चुदा है भाई market shoot. Dixie. Hell nah, bro. Hell nah. The amount of gaps that have been inversed is so fucking ridiculous. It has to stay underneath this gap, okay? ठीक है? Underneath the first presentation. I don't want this inversion to get revisited here. If we are bearish. Or else, bro, let's whoop people's ass to the buy side here. Yep, long was crazy though. Bro, long was pretty good. It was textbook, I would say. Now, how is that textbook? Because at this point in time, when this candle closes here, you're going to look up and you're going to be like, they kissed it, okay? But they didn't fully kiss it. It teased her, like only touching, okay? No sex, only touching. And the girl's horny, right? So these relatively equal eyes are pretty horny for me. And that was a run, okay? That was a run. Fuck, ये क्या हो गया भाई? Kama Sutra? Hell nah. You're a donut if you didn't long that. You are a donut if you didn't long that IFG. What's up, Anand bhai? कैसे हो, bro? Oh, I'm telling you, bhai. Fuck. This is everybody's doing this shit, man. सभी बहन चोद यही वीडियो बनाते हैं भाई. Oh man, कल मैं देख रहा था, bro. Why didn't this 2 minute? And bro, ये बहुत technical terms में बात करते हैं भाई. इट्स सो टेक, ऐसे अनमिटिगेटेड यूज करते हैं FEG, ये बहुत fuck man, it sounds so cringe for me. I'm like fuck man, nobody has studied anything properly man. सिर्फ मैं ही सीख, like I'm like कभी कभी सोचता हूँ bro, like when I used to be in the trenches, when I used to fucking grind day and night studying his concepts, मैं notebook भरता था and fuck all of that, and I used to be like fuck man, like how can other people do something else, like man, इतना सीखने को है, so much on the charts, and like fuck, how are people, oh my god, bad conditions man. Bro, I'm pretty sure by agar Dodgy ne bro, if this nigga Dodgy has taken any position in this market, that guy bro, that fucking guy bro, he'll come up with something bro. He's either gonna sell this inversion short or this inversion long, to banega nahi, because I don't think there was an inversion. ठीक है, long तो बनेगा नहीं, वो करेगा by short, then he's gonna probably be like inversion, वो loss लेगा bro, maybe, I don't know man, that guy just does anything. कहाँ लेगा, close लेगा इधर, कैसे लेगा close, fuck man, then he's gonna break his own rules again because relative equal highs पड़े है bro. If Dodgy fucking comes up with a reel कि उसने short किया है bro, he is lying bro. Me too bro, in 2023 model, taking notes, yes sir. हसल की है भाई, ऐसे थोड़ी पहुंच गए इधर, fuck. I was crazy about ICT bro, I'm telling you. मैं बहुत crazy था bro. People around me not that much, but for me it was like from day one मेरे को something in me, I never had वो ना लॉस लेगा ना प्रॉफिट लेगा, वही बट he'll come up with this indicator. मैं लाऊं क्या मेरा इंडिकेटर ब्रो? Fuck. Yeah, so I was saying कि भाई पहले से ही मेरे अंदर I had a confidence कि मेरे I never suspected कि अगर ICT काम करेगा नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि जब मैंने घुसाई मेरे को दिख गया भाई this shit is gonna work. मेरे को it was like very convincing for me, ठीक है, I didn't have to double guess. अभी लोग फिर भी स्टक है, ये करेगा वो करेगा, क्या सीखो, अरे भाई मैंने तो भाई एक बंदे को नहीं पूछा था ब्रो. नाउ माय सर्कमस्टेंसेस मेड मी डू दैट. मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ के साथ आई वाज लाइक फक माचुदाई, I don't give a fuck. I don't know, maybe I'm not a kind of guy like that naturally. मेरे को बाहर की दुनिया में I'm not really interested. बाहर क्या हो रहा है भाई, like दुनिया is inside my, मेरे अंदर है bro. Whatever is happening मेरे आंखों के पीछे is my real world, right? So it's like मैं तो बाहर, I don't go ask for opinions कि ये करना है वो करना है ये सीखना है वो सीखना है. I'm like माँ की चूत, यहाँ पढ़ा है भाई. I'm a human being, I can just figure it on my own. Why the fuck did God give me a fucking brain? I can just figure it on my own. And then मैंने घुस गया bro, day one man की चूत. MC स्टैन का वीडियो देख रहा था bro. ये मैकी तेनी मैकी है, क्रेजी हो गया. क्या ही करे भाई, what am I gonna do here in this market? Oh my god, I'm so glad that I missed it, honestly. In hindsight, at this point in time, I was thinking in my head, I was like, अरे बहन चोद, you could have taken this long, right? But at this point in time, I was like, fuck, thank God. And at this point in time, I'm like, oh my god, you made the right decision. Anant bhai, any trades? LTV equalize, okay. मैंने कहा था ब्रो, डेविल्स मार्क इज जस्ट सस्पेक्ट. एनी रन हियर इज जस्ट फकिंग, ये लोगों को ट्रिक कर रहे भाई. सेल साइड engineered at the opening range gap quadrant, breached left relative equal highs. Now this is just whipsaw. The real move तो मैं कहूंगा कि अभी स्टार्ट होगा towards here baby girl, here bro. Run it up, man. Run it up, smart money. I'll be the best fucking Indian trader on Instagram, man. Run it up higher, bro. Now the real move is gonna start. Post 10 a.m. Post 10 a.m., bro. Silver fucking bullet. Bro, I was so misguided about the silver bullet, bro. I was like, man, sure. पहले तो मेरे को silver bullet पता ही नहीं था क्या था. I used to take it so wrong. अभी भी लोग बहुत, if you learn from 5 minute training videos, वो दिखाएंगे 15 मिनट पर हाई और लो मार करो, 10:30 और 10 AM के बीच में ब्रीच का वेट करो, 10 AM के बाद फेयर वैल्यू गैप का वेट करो, माँ की चूत. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है ब्रो, फक. old high here. Okay, it has to run now. This has to act as a reclaimed BC. Okay, this is not gonna act as an inversion. Okay, reclaimed BC की तरह act करेगा इधर order block right there, old high. Left side पर एक inversion है. Okay, if it wants to run up higher, I would anticipate कि run up higher करे. अगर मैं इधर गलत हो गया, that just means कि मैं गलत नहीं हूँ, market शुद्धी है. I'm never wrong, bro. Nothing, bro. Open, bro. Nothing after open, bro. Took a pre-market 1-to-1 longs in 850 market with half. This shit is PA 850. Let me try to guess that move. Oh, you probably must have been long, right? Yeah. Oh, long. I did the TP smash? Or no? Did it not smash your TP? Man, just run kar gaya niche. Fuck. Oh, 1-to-1 you said, right? Most likely ho gaya hoga, bro. 107 around the year. Maybe. 25 point. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया, right? 25 point. Hell nah. First presentation, bang on baby girl, acting as an inversion array. मैंने color कभी change नहीं किया था. Why? Because in my head, मेरा utilization is gonna be an inversion array because I'm interested in only longs here. Oh, bang on, a secret fucking sauce. Color में है bro, color is, there is a reason. Color में bro, brain associate करता है. अगर दूसरी तरीके से सीखे तो बढ़िया है. Relative equalize here, ठीक है? Relative equalize here. Run it up. इन्वर्जन के अंदर गई, वापस आई कहाँ? डिड इट टच दिस फेयर वैल्यू गैप? डिड टच दिस फेयर वैल्यू गैप? नोप. वी एक्सपेक्ट कि ओपनिंग रेंज गैप की फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन से ऊपर घुसे. ओपनिंग रेंज गैप लो, कम्स अंडर द 930 ओपन, टचेस द फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन देयर, ठीक है? ऑक्टेन अगर आप मार्क करोगे ओपनिंग रेंज गैप का, आपको दिखी जाएगा कि ऑक्टेन अभी हुआ है टच. ऑक्टेन हुआ है अभी टच, राइट देयर, बैंग ऑन विद द फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन. मेरे को ऑक्टेन चाहिए नहीं. Hell no. Where the fuck did it go? Fuck no. Where the fuck did my drawing go? Hell no. Let me put it as red. Red is good, eh? Okay. It was a TP. Let's go. Let's fucking go, bro. Oh my god, people are getting their ass whooped, bro. आज मेरे को मजा आएगा भाई X चेक करने में. आज मेरे को बहुत मजा आएगा X चेक करने में. ब्रो कितना साल हो गया ट्रेडिंग करते हैं? अरे भाई मैं जब से पैदा हुआ तब से ट्रेड कर रहा ब्रो. That is what it feels. It feels like that, honestly. Not literally, but it feels like I've been training forever, for all my lifetimes. If you believe in a birth, second birth and shit, it's like I've been trading. Cool man. Sure. Relative equalize, okay? Still interested in these relative equalize, okay? I'm not gonna give up on them that quick. 930 opening price held. Okay, 930 opening price held. गलत मार्क किया है चूतिये ने गलत मार्क करके रखा है. Bang on, it's held. Lower time frame is gonna give a bit more clarity. ठीक है? It has to run, bro. It really has to run higher. This is it, bro. Final chance. Use this as a reclaimed BC. ठीक है? Okay. Touches this mitigation block on the 15-minute, run it up higher. Boom. That's it, bro. NQ has to run up higher right now. Right now, NQ has to run up higher. $520, $29, $520. अरे पिप टेस्ला ने कहा था ट्रेड नहीं करेगा. Fuck. What did I say? Run it up higher, bro. 15-second candle predict कर रहा हूँ भाई इधर बैठकर. Name a Gardir. Whatever his name is, Gaguardir or Giardir or whatever. gar horse, कुछ भी हो जाए, gar donkey, कुछ भी. Name a guy that does it. 15-second candle by candle. It'll run up higher right now. I'm being very honest. It'll run up higher right now. Okay. I swear to God. No resistance at the suspension block. Fair value gap के अंदर trade हुए. Use this mitigation wick. Bang on. Push higher, bro. Let's go! Paper trading, yes, no problem. Give me a close above this. 1 minute, busy. Reclaimed हो गया, bro. It officially reclaim हो गया, भाई. Consequent encroachment. Bang on, exhaust तू. अगर आपको reclaimed fair value gap straight करना है, close above, पूरा close above नहीं, consequent encroachment के above close हो गया. Boom. It switches characteristic. Bang on. A tip, bitch. A tip, bitch. Reclaimed fair value gap के साथ एक 1 minute fair value gap सीधा same direction के और first utilization बन जाए. किस ass. Breakaway gap रहना चाहिए. Act as reclaimed. Let's see. Sponsorship level was daily busy. ठीक है, daily basis, upper quadrant, relative equal lows breached here. If you were confident enough, you can buy this turtle soup here. ठीक है, ये सब देख के डरो मत. Be very convicted कि ये relative equal highs run करने वाली है. All of this is just fucking whipsawing. ये run कब नीचे आई है? Just prior to 10 a.m. To 10 a.m. must expand. ठीक है, at the macro it runs out sell side. ठीक है, relative equal lows. ठीक है, क्या दिख रहा है ऊपर? Relative equal highs दिख रहे हैं ना? और ऊपर क्या दिख रहा है? 1 hour के relative equal highs at 689. All right. Relative equal highs. Breaker का mean threshold. I would anticipate कि एक अच्छा run ऊपर तक मिल जाए because it's Jackson fucking Hole Symposium week. See how decoupled we are, motherfuckers. Dollar is also switching bullish. NQ भी bullish हो रहा है. Market shoot. भाई gold पर भाई. हाँ gold तो भाई गिरा भाई. Silver गिर नहीं पा रही है. Gold गिर सकती है, कोई बात नहीं. Because ये sell side भी अच्छी है. Crazy हो गया भाई. Who's enjoying my fucking stream today? Opening, bro. कभी नहीं किया, bro. I've never streamed an open usually, because usually I trade the opens, right? But I'm not trading today. And I was free today in the morning, so I was like, fuck it, bye. Let me trade. This array that was used to send price higher at the macro or right before the macro has to act as an inversion FEG. ठीक है. एक और कप कॉफी हो जाए. सिगरेट खत्म हो गया है भाई. That's the thing. I'm out of cigarettes. Oh man, nothing beats a cup of hot coffee. Right, nothing beats a cup of hot coffee. भाई 20 बंदे देख रहे, but nobody's texting, man. Chat करो भाई. This fair value gap is if importance. Okay, it has to stay above the reclaimed BC के consequent encroachment के ऊपर रहना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Rejection tap नहीं हो. ES. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. ES पर तो भाई चूदी है, bro. Has to act as a reclaimed BC. ठीक है. Oh my god. ES got railed. A little bit divergence there. Reach into this new day opening gap as well as this relative equal highs is gonna be my DOL. Oh well. Oh well. I mean, I don't have to say it, but people that have joined my stream this morning and that have been watching me since 9:30, they have gained a lot of fucking knowledge. And I just know that for a fucking fact. Because I am all amped up. I am all amped up here. ठीक है? When I predict candle by candle, and that too on a fucking 15-second chart. What did I say about this reclaimed fucking BC? मेरे को, why didn't I mark this fair value gap? मैं कर सकता हूँ. कर तो सकता हूँ. But more important is going to be this fair value gap that was formed inside the opening range, inside the first 30-minute window. 30-minute के, okay, another tip do. Everybody only wants to worry about the first presentation of 9:30. Bro, I would say कि भाई 9:30 to 10 o'clock के बाद हर PD array जो बनाए, every single PD array, okay? Extend that out through time. Go check your charts, bro. Go check your own fucking charts. मिलेगा. Extend all the arrays that was formed. ठीक है? सब array करो. The only part you have to get right is, okay? The only, I'm being very honest with you, in your trading career, the only part I want you all to get right is the DOL, the draw on liquidity. Okay? That is the only part you should be worried about nailing. Entry to maan chudai, bro. Entry is the, bro, entry thoda idhar udhar ho jayega, stop out bhi le lo, but if your DOL is right, bang, you can make that loss back. Kal maine short kiya, I took a stop out, but I re-entered because I was convicted, confident enough कि भाई मेरा DOL hit होगा. That was sell side. ठीक है? Charts can be a bit thoda ugly if people are not really versed, they're not gonna understand. इसको मैं थोड़ा light कर देता हूँ. Okay. एक minute, bro. Bro, I had a question. How do I practice 2023? I can't go back. You don't have to practice 2023. Practice 2024. Practice whatever you can. I know कि lecture देख के you have to go back, but it's okay. Lecture देख के just apply it on the charts right now. Give me a minute, bro. Give me a minute. ओ भाई भाई गुस्सा हो गए क्या मेरे ऊपर? क्या हो गया भाई? कुछ शुदी है ब्रो? गॉट फक्ड अप है ब्रो? Whenever you're free, I want to speak to you for 10 minutes. Yes sir. आमिर oh आमिर, I remember man. भाई गुस्सा हो गया क्या मेरे ऊपर? क्या भाई? Don't tell me you execute on your fucking real account or some shit, bro. Don't tell me you fucked up. Bro, 10 minutes हाँ करते भाई. After stream, post stream bro, text me bro. अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया, चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या ले लिया पिया. टेप ट्रेडिंग कर रहा था बस. अरे मैंने ट्रेड लिया इसलिए आई एम ऑन पेपर ट्रेडिंग ब्रो. ट्रेड कर रहा था. पेपर ट्रेड तो ठीक ही है भाई. आई मीन वेल, ओ वेल but try to keep paper trading be real trading. It's okay, like it has to be real trading, paper trading as well also. One day trade ओ पिया, ओ भाई मजा आ रहा है राइट? ओ पकौड़िया अपरक्टन की माँ की चू। लेकिन एट 15 मिनट बेल वेदर देखते हैं भाई। सेल साइड ES ने उठाया है. Okay, NQ doesn't have to because this 15-minute BC is getting respected as well as the new day opening gap consequent encroachment as well as the daily BC upper octane. Okay, nobody understood anything. Hell no, bro. Let me equalize. It has to start spooling, bro. It has to start spooling. This has to act as a breaker, honestly. Pixie bullish. Oh, bhai. I'm pretty sure people enjoyed today's stream. Crazy हो गया, bro. Oh yeah! Fuck! Fuck yeah! Run it up! Run it up! Oh पिया ब्रो आउट ऑफ नोवेयर भाई मैं तो जल्दी भाई ओल्ड बॉलीवुड गाने गाने लग जाता हूँ भाई. सुन रहा है ना. We grew up to this, didn't we, boys? We fucking grew up to this, didn't we? Do it, bro. चाहूं मैं ना अपने तो दिल का पता दे. Okay, we're gonna anticipate now that it is traded above the opening price of this up close candle. ठीक है, this right here is enough for you to consider this a bullish breaker. ठीक है, market's consequent encroachment. All right, now if we are bullish, this right here is also a bullish breaker. Okay, double breaker बुला लो. ठीक है, I'm gonna take the body and the wick. अरे मत फोन कर भाई अभी. एक मिनट दो भाई. एक मिनट. जी व्हाट्स अप? You alright? Yes, sir. I'm back, boys. Back, boy. Okay, मैंने कहा क्या था, bro? Once it crosses the opening price of that bearish breaker, इधर, right here, ठीक है? This has already turned into a bearish breaker. All of the uninformed, naive people are gonna wait for a candle close here, okay? They're gonna be like, oh, it didn't close here, it didn't close here. And then they're gonna be like, I missed the move because it didn't close here. Buddy, it doesn't have to. Brother, it doesn't have to. It doesn't have to. Bias to bearish nahi hai, bro. Bias is bullish. Bias is relative equal highs here. दिख रहा है 15 minute पर. This is the buy. This is the relative equal highs we are looking at. ठीक है? Because we're delivering from a daily basis. Look at the octans respected. Bang on, bang on. Low day was formed at the upper octane here. Opening range gap के terms भी दे. ये बढ़िया चार्ट है भाई. मेरे को इसमें मजा आ रहा है. ठीक है, opening range gap, consequent encroachment, couldn't fill it. That's an algorithmic signature. But ये sell side RTH पे relative equal है भाई. बढ़िया bro, बढ़िया. But वही भाई, Jackson Hole Symposium है. It's just okay bro. This is my quadrant. All right. ठीक है? हो गया? Take a look. This is my octane. ठीक है? Take a look, screenshot. Lol, Phil got wrecked. Oh fuck. Shit. Jesus. It's okay, bro. We don't make fun of people here. मैंने क्या कहा था? The inversion array that was used to send price lower at the macro must be utilized as an inversion array. And then, I mean, the SIBI must act as an inversion array right now. ठीक है? We're in a buy program. Buy side liquidity. Relative equal highs इधर भी है हमारे पास. Right here. ठीक है? $10.30 consolidate किया है the whole market. Real move. मार चुदा है भाई. I'm being very honest.
So trying to text me a billy still hustle like I'm on zero. Really didn't say some niggas, that's why they call me the hero. Trapping like this shit legal, I'm trying to help with my people. I used to serve in the legal, I'm trying to learn super legal shit. I don't want your bitch, we can't talk out. They ain't no shit, time to pop out.
Abdul Go ex God. कैसे हो भाई? What's going on? Welcome bro, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Which one was today's first presentation? No. This one, bro. 9:31, right there. That was our first presentation. the next, the thing, bro, now the next era is coming of first presentation. Everybody's going to start calling out people for their wrong first presentation because मैंने गलत मार्क किया था पिछले दिन. Right? Nobody called it out though. That means people don't know what they're fucking doing still. Despite being my followers, they don't know what they're doing. I marked the first presentation wrong. Nobody pointed that out to me. Crazy हो गया. Bro, this is the first presentation. यहाँ ये देख लो bro. This one here. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it was formed at 9:31 and it aligns right with the new day opening gap high. ठीक है? Again, bro, first presentations are very subjective. It's very subjective.
Alright, well, we tried it. I got stop break even this trade, guys. I was gonna try
No, you got break even, bro. Anand, bro, fuck's sake.
control break even, but this is saving me. I know it looks like one out here, but it was a break even trade because my feels kind of trash, but yeah, nothing I can do. Well, we tried it. I got stop break even this.
Bro, आपकी लाइव देख रहा हूँ. डेली नोइंग दे रहे हो. बढ़िया ब्रो, लेट्स गो. Reclaimed BC की माँ की चूत. Fuck yeah. Oh, look at the bodies. मैंने कहा दिया था bro. This point in time here, this is a breaker. ठीक है? Close हो और बढ़िया man. But there was org CE below which was untapped. So taking that inversion first presentation was good or not? Wait a minute. Org CE here. Untapped. Wait a minute. Bro, there was org CE below which was untapped. So taking that inversion of the first presentation. It was pretty good. If you consider this first presentation, it was pretty good. I would say yes, at this point in time, this was a good long. I was actually tape reading this. If you go back to that opening, like if you like play my stream backward, you'll find that this long was a pretty amazing long because I was marking ki ye wick kaise. See, the reason that long was very good was ये wick को मैंने grade किया था, okay? It sent price lower, ठीक है? Now यहाँ जो wick बनी है इधर और इधर, you see this much here, this common area in price action, this much here, ठीक है? That's a balanced price range, ठीक है? Now and once this wick delivered it here, यहाँ तक deliver हो गई. Any return back into it, it has to stay above the first presentation because this is that array जो ये wick के बीच में बना है, ठीक है? End dog high भी है. Look at the bodies there, ठीक है? यहाँ devil's mark बना था. और obviously at this point in time यहाँ long नहीं करते because यहाँ devil's mark बना है. ये candle open होने के बाद सीधा ऊपर गई है, right? So again, this comes and clears the devil's mark, runs it up higher, ठीक है? Quick view there, sir. If it's small, if we take sir, it's small. If we take big first presentation, FEG big. What? It's small. I mean, bro, it's not that small. Size doesn't matter, bro. Size doesn't matter. Why am I choosing this? Because sell side जो हुआ था breached, relative equal lows, वो ये fair value gap से हुआ था. Okay? See again. भाई फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन कुछ भी हो जाए, ये आप सिर्फ नाम दे रहे हो टू द अरे, उसका यूटिलाइजेशन तो होगा टुवर्ड्स द ड्रॉन लिक्विडिटी, ठीक है? The arrays that get used in a market maker sell model to send price lower must be the arrays that are used to send price higher in a buy side of the curve, ठीक है? ये जो pool of sell side relative equal lows है, even though they are jagged out, still consider them relative equal lows because इतना जो नीचे का एरिया है, this much area here, इतना जो एरिया है, रिटेल कंसिडर्स दिस एज सपोर्ट. सो उसको रन किया, ठीक है? कौन सी फेयर वैल्यू गैप ने रन किया? इसने, मतलब इसने, ठीक है? टच करने के बाद हुई है ना रन. सो व्हेन इट स्विचेस टू अ बाय प्रोग्राम, बूम, ओके, इमेजिन कि हो गया स्विच, सो whatever array was used on the sell model must be used on the buy model. ठीक है, bodies closed above the SIBI here, that means volume imbalance है कि नहीं देखते, नहीं है, volume imbalance नहीं है, नीचे की तरफ है, ठीक है, bodies close हुई ऊपर, any return back lower we must stay above the reclaimed BC. It has to start spooling, bro. It has to start spooling right now. NQ has to start spooling. Bro, dealing range में quick view दे दो. Okay, bro, dealing range में अगर quick view दे दूँ, I'll talk about implied dealing range. Let's say your DOL is this buy side here. ठीक है? If you draw an implied dealing range, you are always, ठीक है? This is a fact. This is a point. You never must forget it. This must be in your fucking blood. If you are anticipating कि ये low of day बना है, ठीक है? ये आपने कह दिया पिंक, रेड, ब्लैक, पिंक, अरे अच्छा येलो मार्क करते हैं, ओके? ये अगर आप कह रहे हो कि लो ऑफ डे बना है, आप इधर बैठे हो मार्केट के, ठीक है, यहाँ बैठे हो, आप एंटिसिपेट करोगे रिलेटिव इक्वल हाइज रन हो गए, यू ड्रॉ फ्रॉम योर DOL बाई साइड टू द लो ऑफ डे, ऑलवेज योर एंट्रीज मस्ट बी एट प्रेफरेबली बिलो द इक्विलिब्रियम विच इज हियर, ठीक है, इक्विलिब्रियम के अंडरनीथ, दिस इज वेयर यू आर सपोज टू बाय. वंस इट गेट्स टू द अपर क्वाड्रेंट हियर, नो बाइंग, no buying there, ठीक है? By that time you're very close to your DOL, they might push it lower, they can bring it lower, ठीक है? That's the reason you are supposed to enter somewhere around here, maybe leave the stops intact or maybe break even, doesn't matter, ठीक है? यहाँ आप trade करोगे, then your stops must be way bigger here, covering the swing low, covering the lower quadrant here, because it can obviously come here, ठीक है? This low stays intact and runs up higher. But in an ideal world, we would anticipate कि ये equilibrium तक आए, maximum touch होए और उड़ जाए, ठीक है? That's implied dealing range for you. Bro, लोगों ने तो बहुत अकाउंट उड़ाए भाई, pretty sure.
All right, well, we tried it.
Kyrat Wooly. Whoa. Learned a lot of sauce, learned from me lots of same, bro. Same, man. Same. No, we've been streaming for 1.5 hours. Oh my god. Fuck's sake, bro. How do people stream for Ghanto, man? Should. Fuck. समझा देंगे. Bro, if you need the quadrant setting, just take it, bro. Just take it from here, man. This is, oh my god. Just ask ChatGPT, bro. I'm being honest. By ChatGPT se pooch lena. It will tell you. Be like, give me ICT quadrants and octane fib settings. Bro, ChatGPT will give you. Trust me when I say this. Yes, it is recorded, bro. It is recorded. Please, sir. समझ नहीं आ रही क्या अभी पूछ लो भाई. if any concept अभी है तो I mean if I have time अभी clear कर दूंगा. ये रिकॉर्ड होके रहेगा. yes sir. 6:15 AM candle breaker at 15 minutes. Here comes what? Yes, this one, right? No. 6:15 AM. Bearish breaker, you mean? Bearish breaker. Bro, कोई हिंदी सॉन्ग लगाओ पार्टी वाला बैकग्राउंड में. बहुत हो गया रीडिंग. Let's do. Oh fuck yeah. Yes sir. sir, क्या ही लगा है भाई. तू तू है मेरी, तू ही बता. Fuck, lyrics are fucked, eh? Said, ooh, baby, turn the lights off. Bro, है bearish breaker की नहीं? I don't know, bro. I don't think so. शूतिया breaker है भाई वो. I mean, buy side breached. I get it. Bro, now the high has been taken. Okay, ये consecutive down close candle consider करना पड़ेगा. Hang tight, hang tight, hang tight. Bro, you have to consider this consecutive down close candle here. ठीक है? The high was not breached. That still qualifies this as a breaker. ठीक है? Now 10:30 has begun. If NQ wants to form a smart money reversal, and if अगर higher time frame has to switch bearish, it has to switch right now. Ooh, ooh. $10.50 macro is coming here. चलो भाई ये macro read करते हैं bro, and then 15 मिनट पर हमारे पास relative equal lows है इधर. ठीक है, डिपेंड्स. अगर ये reclaimed BC break हो जाता है तो भाई we are gonna switch this into an inversion array. ठीक है, but the delivery must be very fast here because हमने बहुत chop किया है. Ooh, turn the lights off, lights off, lights off. Daily suspension block के lower quadrant को respect कर रही है, so I can say कि daily की dealing range के ही लेने आएगा. Maybe. Relative equal highs are still suspect for me. Bro, ICT posted its execution on X is crazy. चलो भाई वही देखते हैं. Jesus Christ, he bought the low, man. Jesus, बढ़िया है भाई. Nice. Well, we were reading the whole thing. ठीक है, we were reading it. Nice, Mr. Michael. Yes, you don't feel bearish. Why? Because we are bullish, I guess. Because ES पर भाई relative equal highs है, ठीक है? और ये relative equal highs है 60 मिनट 15 मिनट पर अगर आप देखोगे इधर. तो ES तो भाई I wanna see it go higher as well as NQ. Because अगर if it can go higher and run out the buy side, and by next week अगर कोई structure बने नीचे की और that's gonna be better. Honestly for me. ICT के top 10 PD array बता जे ने master कर लिए. Oh, top 10 PED array. Number 1, balanced price range. Number 2, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, BISI and SIBI and BPR. All right. और क्या है भाई? बस उतना ही है bro. That's the only PED arrays I love. Turn the baby, turn the lights off. I said, ooh, ooh. Oh fuck man, rape reading की माँ की चूत bro, बहुत हो गया भाई. Did somebody trade or anything? किसी ने trade वेट लिया है क्या? तन 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 तन. घी खत्म भाई, स्ट्रीम का घी खत्म ब्रो. घी खत्म, घी खत्म, घी खत्म भाई. As I said, buy side, ठीक है? Sergi, where you live in? Bro, right now, I live in Canada, brother. For now. Next stop is gonna be in Dubai. And next stop is gonna be my hometown, bro. India. Okay, it has to start running for the buy side at the macro here. ठीक है? Again, this reclaimed BC was held. Let's give a look at Dixie. I'm also living in Canada, Winnipeg. Nice, 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 nice. I live in GTA, bro. GTA, bro. Just to start running, ठीक है? Towards the buy side. ओ भाई, किसको मजा आया ब्रो? Who enjoyed my stream, man? ये थोड़ा ब्रो, थोड़ा I think stream का घी खत्म हो चुका है. I'm gonna buy that FEG right there if I was trading. ठीक है? I would buy that fair value gap at the macro. Considering, okay, break कर तो भाई बस इधर काफी है. And I would run it up here to the buy side, pull a buy side. ठीक है? Well, I'm not gonna be pushing buttons, but I'm just gonna be tape reading. डेली आया करो एटलीस्ट आफ्टर सेशन लेकर ट्रेड रिकैप. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. दैट्स समथिंग. ये बढ़िया बात किया भाई आपने. वेरी गुड. ओके, आई थिंक इट्स टाइम टू रैप इट अप. रैप इट अप मैन, रैप इट अप. गाने वाने लगा के रैप अप करते हैं भाई. Jackson Hole Symposium, day 1, done, and we banged it. कोई trade नहीं लिया, which was a very good decision. People that made money, congratulations. People that lost money, it's okay, bro. As long as you didn't blow your fucking accounts, you're good. Cause just come back. Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Come back. Friday. Discord पे live करो, bro. Why, bro? Discord, I think Discord is better because ज़्यादा viewers आएंगे, bro. I think in Discord, a lot of people are like, I think at least 50 people might join Discord. YouTube पर तो भाई nobody fucking comes, right? So if I buy that FEG right there, it's going to be wonderful. Isn't it going to be? Session like a trade recap. Yes, karte bhai. That's a good idea right there. Trading view update karna padega. What the hell is this? Bro, let's listen to some Yatra songs. Damru, Damru, Damru pata hai bro. Everybody knows Damru, right? Come on, if you don't know Damru, man. You cannot be my subscriber. Bro, Discord पे गूनस आते हैं bro. TikTok और Discord पे सिर्फ गूनस आते हैं भाई. For real bro. सही बात किया. ये correct है bro. गूनस. Crazy हो गया ये तो. Copyright की माँ की चूत. Hey. All right, boys. Everybody, thanks for joining. Tesla, Abdul Bhai, Manjinder, Anant. 2 Anant in the chat, okay? एक तो अनंत पाटिल और एक अनंत and आनंद, ठीक है? Everybody, gamer, what the fuck, the kiddo. You're one of the gooners, aren't you? Alright, I think this is it. We're gonna fucking hop off this chart, ठीक है? I don't have any overlay or anything yet. तो भाई, मेरे को भाई, I don't really give a fuck about my stream settings and all that. I just want to provide value. बस उतना है भाई. Right guys, take it easy boys. That's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Wrap it up. Thank you everyone. Thank you. डिस्कॉर्ड में आओ वीकेंड में. यस सर ब्रो, डिस्कॉर्ड में भाई वीकेंड में आई मीन सुबह, मोस्ट लाइकली इंडिया में सुबह होगी, इधर रात होगी. हम भाई बात करते हैं, ठीक है? डिस्कॉर्ड पर हम थोड़ा एनालिसिस करते हैं, वीक के ऊपर जाते हैं भाई, थोड़ा स्पेस वेस टाइप करते हैं, ठीक है? बढ़िया मजा आएगा ब्रो, बढ़िया मजा आएगा ब्रो. बाकी है, लेट्स गो, टेक इट इजी बॉयज.